What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock your Ninebot F3 scooter, F3 Pro, also available right now in 2026. Now it's August 2026, so actually this method is working perfectly, and this method doesn't depend on your software version or hardware version. It's very simple and no need any specific knowledge. Also, it can be also rolled back very easily, so your warranty will be not voided. You don't need to dismantle like fully your scooter or do some things. Actually, as you see now, it's a maximum 25 km per hour. My scooter is going in a sport mode, and we can do it much faster, even up to 45 km per hour. So you need to use this device. This device you can order in the description below. It's for F3 Pro E. Also for German version is F3 Pro D or F3 also available. So as you see, it's just two connectors. When you just buy the scooter, you need to set up by yourself the main control panel. So you just need to install it here. But if it's already mounted, so you need to dismantle it first. It's very simple. You have all the needed tools. It's not voiding your warranty because when you buy it, you just also can install it. And what you should do first, let's unscrew some screws here. Actually, the first one, just need to put some pressure in it. It's not really difficult, as you see, just 4 of them. That's last one that I'm putting off. So now let's disable it, then put it off. It's actually very simple. Then you have 2 connectors here to disconnect, as you see. So it's not that difficult, but maybe better do it with 2 hands, as you see. Yeah, very simple, and put it off. Nothing special, don't need to cut anything. Then let's insert our tool. Again, the link for the tool you can find in the description below. You can order it and install it very simply. So let's install it now. Actually, as you see, we are connecting one connector on a side. Just find these lines, how to connect it properly. So connect it. Then use the other side, also connect it properly. Let's find a way. Yeah, here we go. Connect it. Then need to put it inside and hide it. Actually already hidden, as you see. Then put the bracket and mount all the screws back. Let's do it together. It's 4 screws, so put it just back. Okay, I already put it back. Let's try it out. And the maximum speed, as you see, it's reaching up to 44-45 km per hour. Of course, it depends on your weight and how long you want to go on the charging, but still 45 km per hour, it's really fast. So I think it's more than enough to drive in the streets, and it's really working well. Let's try it out again. So let's switch the mode, switch to it's drive mode, so switch to eco mode. Let's try it out. Eco mode 25, even 26, 27 even km per hour. In a drive mode, let's try it out as well. So drive mode maximum is 35. It's also quite good, 36 even. And on a speed mode already showed is 45, 40 km per hour. And actually put all the screws back right now. First test it out always before screwing. So already finish, and you see the screen. It's working well, and you're reaching the maximum speed very easily. You can find the link on the device in the description below. It's working really good, and you can select your scooter, also suitable for many other models. And basically that's pretty much it. Thank you much for watching. Put the thumbs up, and see you next time.